Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this one will be a quick overview of the changes I made to the Pathfinder to prepare it for the upcoming trip to Moab, as well as the multitude of places I will be taking it over the cooler months here in Arizona. But first, a little walk down memory lane to when I first saw it listed online for sale. At the time, she had 68,000 miles on her and had probably never seen a dirt road. After purchase, I began removing as much of the Plastidip as I could and removed the side steps. Next came a suspension lift and some bigger tires. She was starting to feel a bit more capable, so I made my first trip to Moab, Utah and got myself into some hairy situations, but she pulled through. The second Moab trip went a bit better after installing a LOKKA front locker. This is basically how you know her today. I made the mistake of changing the wheels, and although the All Dogs Off-Road wheels are nice, I missed the shine. After an upgrade to 33-inch tires was made, we got the body lift installed and preparations for the Moab trip began. We now have a coastal off-road high clearance front bumper paired with a Badland 12,000 pound winch and some Z1 off-road shackles. Also sourced from Z1 is the front lower control arm lockout kit. And because I missed the shiny Raceline wheels, I went back to them, still on the 33-inch tire. Next up are some coastal off-road rock sliders. These are more of a side step, which I am not a fan of, so this might change in the near future. And finally, the underside is 100% protected, front to back, with skid plates from Coastal Off-Road, Z1 Off-Road, and ASFIR. So this is how she sits now. I did have plans to get a rear bumper made with a spare tire carrier and possibly get it wrapped a different color, but unfortunately just ran out of time to get them done before the trip. Aside from that, this is pretty much its final form as far as mechanical parts go. There's going to be a lot of videos coming from this Utah trip, so keep an eye out on the channel for those, and we'll catch you in the next one.